Alright, so finish something, and that finish something is number theory. So I've been cranking out. I already showed that I did chapter 4 for number theory a long time ago. Completed summary and completed quiz. And so then, since the last time that I showed this notebook, I completed a very brief summary of chapter 5. I didn't have that the last time that I showed it. I also completed a few more problems in chapter 5, and then I did the same for chapter 6. So for chapter 6 I did a brief summary, and then I also have done some problems for a quiz. And now I am working my way through what I think is going to be a test of chapters 4, 5, and 6. And I'll be using some notes, some handouts that I printed out on the Chinese remainder theorem, because I like the way of solving it that Rosen taught me in the book, for like using like 5t plus 3 and 7u plus 5 and then 3v for plus 7. That way of solving it, it works really well for me. But when it comes to using the formula where you break it out and you have these m's, and each part of solving the equation is put into separate additive elements, I really don't get that right now. So I'm going to teach myself that again, just to understand it. But I've been having a lot of fun with some of the problems that I've done. I even completed a proof that I think is correct for problem 26 of section 4.1 of Rosen. And at first I was like, oh, I don't get it. But then I was like, oh, wait a minute. If what's given has a to the k plus 1 and a to the k and b to the k plus 1 and b to the k, and what I need to prove is a and b, well, guess what? A over k plus 1 over a to the k is a, b to the k plus 1 over b to the k is b. Now that doesn't work out in a linear congruence like that easy. You have to actually go through and figure out what tricks you have to use for multiplying different factors to get to the point where you prove that yes, you can divide a minus b by m, which is the same as the linear congruence of a with remainder b mod m. But yeah, I think I did it correctly. I mean, of course, the reason why I want to take a course later on this year is I want to get out of shadowboxing for every single subject. I want to get out of shadowboxing for number theory this year, and then I want to do a bunch of linear algebra next year, and then at the end of that year, hopefully I'll take a course. And just, if I get my butt kicked, that's good, because then I'll be getting out of shadowboxing. So teaching myself has been a lot of fun, but also at the same time, I really, really want a professional mathematician to say, yeah, you're okay, or you need some work, and here's how I can help you. I really want that, and I really need that. So yeah, that's number theory. And not shown in here is all the notes for chapter 7. And I believe I started working on some problems for chapter 7. So it's not shown here. But yeah, this book, of course, is getting a little thick, and feels wonderful. And I'm just going to crank through Rosen and make it really my priority until I finish the whole book. And hopefully I will finish it before mid-August. Yeah. So there you have it. That's number theory 2, the second notebook. And at the pace that I'm going, pretty soon I'm going to be going into a third notebook for the notes and the exercises from the book. There you have it.